Hi there, I'm registered dietitian nutritionist and mama of two, Whitney English. Today I'm going to show you how to make 5 homemade baby food recipes in your BlendJet. As a busy mama, I know how difficult it can be to find time to make healthy food for the family, especially if we're talking about preparing separate meals for your babe. Luckily with BlendJet, these baby food recipes couldn't be easier. Plus, BlendJet is way quieter than a normal blender, perfect for making food when baby is sleeping. My daughter is almost 6 months old and about to start solid, so I've been concocting a bunch of tasty and nutritious blends for her, and I can't wait to share them with you. At about 6 months, babies begin to build their taste preferences, so it's really important to expose them to a wide range of diverse flavors at this time. Each of these recipes combines a fruit or a veggie and an herb or a spice to help maximize flavor exposure. I hope your baby loves them. First up, carrots and cumin. Steam 1 cup of chopped carrots in a steamer basket or on the stove, or in the microwave in a microwave-safe dish until softened. Add a 1/4 cup breast milk or water to the BlendJet, along with carrots and 1 teaspoon cumin. Blend for 3 to 4 cycles until smooth. If your mixture is still a little chunky, try using the pulse mode. Pulse mode transforms BlendJet 2 into a powerful food processor. It can even make guacamole, salsa, or hummus. Once your mixture is smooth, portion into 1-ounce servings and freeze or refrigerate until ready to serve. Next up, we're making Cauli Curry. Steam 1 cup of cauliflower until softened. Add a 1/4 cup of breast milk or water to the BlendJet, along with the cauliflower and a 1/2 teaspoon yellow curry powder. Blend for 3 to 4 cycles until smooth. Portion into 1-ounce servings and freeze or refrigerate until ready to serve. Next, we have basil and broccoli. Steam 1 cup of broccoli until softened. Add a 1/4 cup breast milk or water to BlendJet, along with broccoli and 1 teaspoon dried basil. Blend for 3 to 4 cycles until smooth. Portion into 1-ounce servings and freeze or refrigerate until ready to serve. Now we're gonna make a sweeter recipe, Pearly Ginger. Add a 1/4 cup breast milk or water to BlendJet, along with 1 cup peeled and chopped pears and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Blend for 3 to 4 cycles until smooth. Portion into 1-ounce servings and freeze or refrigerate until ready to serve. Finally, we have sweet and cinnamon-y potatoes. Steam 1 cup chopped sweet potatoes with the skin removed until softened. Add a 1/4 cup breast milk or water to the BlendJet, along with sweet potatoes and a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Blend for 3 to 4 cycles until smooth. Portion into 1-ounce servings and freeze or refrigerate until ready to serve. See, super easy. When you're done, simply add water, soap, and blend to clean your BlendJet. Which fruits and veggies does your baby love? If you like these recipes and give them a try, let us know in the comments below. I'm Whitney, thanks for watching.